In today's video of TechTube, let me show you how you can ignore messages on Messenger. If you're trying to unrestrict or ignore someone for any reason that you want, in this video let me show you how you can easily do this. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Open up your Messenger app and you need to tap on the three lines on the top left and then tap on the settings option on the top right. From here you'll need to scroll down under preferences, tap on privacy and safety and head over to restricted accounts. Ignoring messages on Messenger is called restricted. So from this section all you need to do is tap on the human icon on the top right, but before that you can also tap on learn how restricted works and see some of the benefits of restricting or ignoring. And as you can see, these are the features, which is see less of someone, hide your activity and unrestrict anytime. The other person won't be able to tell when you're online on Messenger and you won't get any notifications that the other person sends. Tap on the human icon on the top right now and select the person that you're trying to restrict. And that person will be immediately added to the restricted list. So that's all it takes to ignore messages on your Messenger app. If you guys found this video helpful, hit subscribe and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more informative videos that we post. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.